Gold is not moving the way it should. Tensions are rising, market are uncertain, and still gold is stuck. That's not normal because right now gold is setting a trap. Stay with me because one level here could trigger a very fast move in the next 48 hours. If you see the geopolitical tensions are happening in the Middle East, let's understand what's happening behind the scene. Okay, global tensions are still elevated, especially around the Middle East and Iran. Normally, that should push gold higher, but at the same time, oil prices are rising, inflation expectations are increasing, bond yields are staying elevated. Okay, and when yields are high, you have to understand money flows into the US dollars, and that put pressures on gold. Okay, so right now gold is caught in between fear, which is supporting gold, while strong dollar plus yield which holds it back, and that's why price is not trending, it is building pressure. Okay, understand this is a 15 minutes chart, and you have seen that the price making a low of around 45.54. It is after that it is trying to go higher. If you make this trend, we can see the price, if it keep moving upside, chances are high it will move towards 45.32, and this trend can be touched. Okay, now if you look at the trend, we have seen there is clear a U pattern has formed. After that there is a downfall. So remember that if the price keep moving over 46.01, we will see there will be an upside, but if it keep falling below this level, a further downfall can be seen. Okay, and we have seen the gold price moves up and down, even other commodities. Okay, so remember that whenever you start to trade during the volatile market, always try to put your SL whenever you start your trade. That will save the capital, and once you in profit, try to trail it. Okay, if you are trailing your SL, at least you will save some profit, whatever according to how much percentage you want to save. Now this is the clear pattern has formed, and if the price keep moving over 4600, we can see there is a bullish trend or upside movement, and once keep supporting above a level of 4688, you can say, or 4700, there is chances that if it keep moving up this level, a further high can be seen towards 4727, and from there a further high towards 4746, and a probability of crossing 4760, then a probability of crossing 4790 will be there. Okay, this pattern will support an upside. Okay, but see, as you know that market is always uncertain. See, the trend is showing an upside. There is a higher chances that it can go further. But suppose if it started falling below this level, it can move towards 4681. From there, it can come down again towards a level of 4648. And if the price fall below this level, it will move below 4601, which is a strong level. And from there, a further fall can be seen. So trailing your SL is very important by around $10 to $15. Okay. Coming back on a 2 hour chart, where you will see how the price is moving on the 2 hour chart basis. See, as I've clearly mentioned you that in the 15 minutes chart, we can see fake breakouts, quick reversals, and stop loss hunting. But what we have seen, the price is going and moving up, but sometime it move sharp down, and this is not a trend. This is a manipulation before a bigger move. So what most traders get trapped here because they avoid inside choppy range. Okay, they do not follow a proper SL. Okay, and they do not do a trailing of the SL, so that at least profit will be saved. So we'll see for a wait. We'll wait for a clear breakout, because the kind of price action usually lead to a strong move afterwards. This is the 2 hour chart, where you will see that the price is supporting on two sides. Okay, if you see from this perspective, we will see that if the price keep moving over $46.01, there is an upside movement. But if it keep falling below this level, we can see there can be a downside. Okay, so we can see there is a thing, two clear thing that we can see. So upper side, that if the price sustain above this level, probability of crossing 47.36 is very high, and that is a weak level. So the price will rise above that level, and it will go towards a level of 47.69. From there, a probability of crossing 47.96, and then it will move up $48.02. Okay, this pattern will support an upside. The chance of going towards 48.60 or a further high can be seen. Trailing your SL is very important by $10 to $15, so at least you'll capture upside movement. But if it keep coming down, because see, I have to tell you on both the side, because market is uncertain, and on the 2 hour chart we have seen a huge volatility. Okay, and 10 to 15% is not that we can hold for around 2 days or 3 days or a week, because 10 to 15 days comes up and down in 15 minutes chart also. So if the price started coming down, we can see a level of $46.78, and if the price fall below this level, it can come down towards 46.40, then to a level of $46.01. Okay, and if the price fall below this level, a further fall can be seen. So trail your SL by around $10 if the price started going below 46.45, and once started going below a level of 45.50 to 45.33, chances are high it will move towards a level of around further fall, and a probability of crossing 45.28 will be there, and then a zone breakout towards downside can be seen. Okay, because we can see that there is a clear U pattern has formed, and chances are high it will move further low. That you will see on 2 hour chart also, we can see that chances will be high it will move towards 45.33, then to a level of 44.20 also, and then a further fall. Okay, remember that 4600 is an important level. Now coming back on a day wise chart, but before that you have to understand that there is a fake breakout can happen, and because liquidity is building on both the sides, so stop above resistance, stops below support when liquidity builds. Okay, because the breakout is usually aggressive, and if the price keep moving over 4600, a further upside can be seen, but if it keep falling below 4600, a further downfall can be seen. Coming back on a day wise chart, which is very important you to understand. Okay, now looking at the day wise chart, what you can see there is a clear U pattern has formed, and understand that the price for today we have seen it is trying to form a green candle. Okay, because at a bigger picture we see on the day chart, gold is showing some sign of weakness only when the price goes below 4600. Overall trend is, you can say, a downside, but it is showing a good volatility. Okay, now if you see and it is slowing the bullish momentum if we see in this particular trend. So suppose, because if you see from this perspective, okay, on a day wise chart, if the price, because the price is already above $46.01, suppose if it started going upside, then a probability is high it will move towards $47.37, which is resistance 1. And once the price going up this level, probability of touching 47.95 will be there, which is resistance 2. And if the price going up this level, probability of going towards 4800 is there. Okay, and this is the trend it will support, so further upside can be seen, and if the price going above this level, probability of going towards 48.82 will be there, and then a further upside. Remember, there will be higher chances that the price will move above level 48.82 if the price keep moving up 4800. Okay, because we can see a level of 48.43 is a strong level. From there a bounce back can be seen, but if the price didn't bounce back, we can see a further upside. So trailing your SL is very important by around $15 to $20 on a day wise chart, so at least you'll capture upside movement. Okay, but as I've clearly mentioned you that there is a trend showing, or when the price started going below 4600, chances are high that we can see there is a chances that the price can come down, because we have seen there is geopolitical tensions are rising, where we have seen the gold prices moving upside as well as downside, which is creating pressures on the gold because of strong dollars and yield. Okay, now suppose if the price started coming down, it can come down towards next level, which is a strong support after crossing a level of 46.85. After 46.85, which is a support one, the price will go directly towards next level of $46.03. Okay, that is support 2. And once the price fall below this level, chance of touching 45.60 will be there, which is support 3. And if the price going below this level, chance of touching 45.41 will be there, which is support 4. Okay, and if the price falling below that level, we will see the price will go towards $45.31, and then it will move towards a level of $44.83. Okay, which is support 5. And then this trend will support downside, so chances will be high it will move towards a level of 44.25 to a level of 43.77, then to a level of 43.58, and then it will move towards 4300. Chances of dropping downside is very high, after 4600 because the pattern supporting downside only when the price started going below 4600. So trailing your SL by around 15 to $20 is as soon as the price started going below 4600. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. Understand, on the bullish scenario, if the dollar weakens, we can see there can be a chances that the gold price can move further upside or a tension escalates further. Okay, probability can be high, we can see a further upside. But if the dollar remains strong and yield stays elevated, then we can see the price of gold can come down, because right now market is slightly leaning bearish on a, after, if we don't see a device chart, we go on a longer view, and momentum is weak, buyers are not strong, so expect sideways move first and then a possible upside or downside movement. This is not a trending market, this is a setup where most traders can get trapped, only a few will catch the real move. Okay, gold is already at a decision point, so the next 48 hours could change everything. So stay patient, watch your levels, because when the moves comes, it is going to be fast. Okay, so trailing your SL is very important, so at least you will capture upside as well as downside movement.